Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
So dear students, so far we have discussed so many examples and we have solved them to get a result. In this expression like sum of a rational and irrational, either sum of two irrational. But if in case we will get an expression where the denominator is an irrational, like this 1 by root 2 or 1 by 2 plus root 3. So here in this case the denominators are irrational. So here we have to rationalize the denominator. That means we have to convert the denominator into a rational number. So let us discuss or let us solve some examples, that is how to rationalize the denominator by using the identity. Example, rationalize the denominator of 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 is an expression where the denominator is root 2, which is an irrational number. So we have to rationalize the denominator so that we should multiply 1 by root 2 with another expression such that the denominator become rational, but that will be an equivalent expression of 1 by root 2. So if we multiply root 2 by root 2, that becomes 2. That is a rational number. But if we multiply root 2 with denominator, then we have to multiply root 2 with numerator also. So we will multiply root 2 by root 2 with 1 by root 2. So this is equal to root 2 by 2. So here root 2 by 2 having denominator rational. So this root 2 by root 2 is root 2 by 2 is an equivalent expression of 1 by root 2. Next example, rationalize the denominator of 1 by 2 plus root 3. So here we will use the identity a plus b whole into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So to rationalize the denominator, we have to multiply and divide 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. So 1 by 2 plus root 3 multiplied with 2 minus root 3 and divided by 2 minus root 3. So this is equal to 2 minus root 3 divided by a plus b whole into a minus b. So that is equal to a square minus b square. So this is equal to 2 minus root 3 by 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So this is equal to 2 minus root 3. So here the denominator is 1. So that is rational. Next example, rationalize the denominator of 5 by root 3 minus root 5. Here also we shall use the identity and we have to multiply and divide 5 minus 5 by root 3 minus root 5 with root 3 plus root 5 and divide also root 3 plus root 5. So we have to divide and multiply 5 by root 3 minus root 5 by root 3 plus root 5. So that becomes 5 by root 3 minus root 5 multiplied with root 3 plus root 5 and divided by root 3 plus root 5. So this is equal to 5 multiplied with root 3 plus root 5 divided by a minus b multiplied with a plus b. So that is a square. Root 3 square minus root 5 square. So this is equal to 5 multiplied with root 3 plus root 5 divided by 3 minus 5. So this is equal to minus 5 by 2 whole into root 3 plus root 5. So here we have rationalized the denominator. Next example, rationalize the denominator of 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2. Here also we shall use the identity and we have to multiply and divide 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2 by 7 minus 3 root 2. So 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2 multiplied with 7 minus 3 root 2 and divide by 7 minus 3 root 2. So this becomes 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by a plus b whole into a minus b. So is equal to 7 square minus 3 root 2 square. So this is equal to 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 49. 7 square is 49 minus 3 root 2 square is equal to 3 root 2 multiplied with 3 root 2. So this is 18. So this is equal to 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 31. So this is the rationalization of denominator. So in this way you can rationalize the denominator of any expression having irrational denominator.